Hey, what's up, Anthony? It's Devin again. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to show you 3 things I found on your website really quickly that you can fix really quickly to start bringing in more customers. I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's super simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are so busy taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And typically the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that whenever I make these attack plans and I give them away for free, a lot of business owners end up calling me back saying, "Hey Devin, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me?" Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate as many business owners as I possibly can. And I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. First off, your website's awesome. Super unique logo, have a rating right at the top, helps build trust right away. Easy click to call that follows you around the page. Clean design. It's a great looking website. Unfortunately, Google doesn't really care much about your design. What they mostly care about is this content right here, and they want to see a lot of it because the more content you have, the more likely you're going to keep people on your page, which is what Google wants to see. So the average website on the homepage of Google has 2,000 words, and you currently have 728. So you definitely have a little bit of the way to go. It's going to take you, all it takes is time of just writing out of 1,300 words, but that's how you end up beating Mid-Cities AC, okay? On top of that, you're going to want to make sure you have keywords in there. So like, for example, Air Conditioning Repair Keller TX, a lot of people search that every single month. And you want to make sure you have that in your content and you don't have it in there one time. So once you put those 2,000 words up, make sure you put those kind of keywords in there naturally. Like, we provide the air conditioning repair Keller TX residents have loved for years, or something like that. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of other trustworthy websites saying that you're a trustworthy website. But keep in mind, they do want to see relevant websites linking to you. So they're going to give you a lot more power for links from like HVAC companies instead of like Pizza Hut, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check this out, it's called Ahrefs. There's a lot of data going on here. I'll explain what you need to see. It shows that back in February of 2019, you had your first link. You currently have 10 referring domains or 10 websites linking to you. Great start. If you want to beat Mid-Cities, these guys have 59 websites linking to them. I would just add those on top of your 10 and then maybe even get a little more. Because if these websites work to rank them, they're going to work to rank you too. So all you need to do is go to this list of all these websites that are linking to them and do what they did. They visited them and they either clicked like the contact us button and maybe they requested a link from the owner. Maybe they created a profile and put a link in their profile pointing back to their page. Maybe they had to pay a small fee for the link, but whatever they had to do, you'd have to do too. And by following those 2 tips, that's how you become number 1 organically right here. Okay. If you want to show up number 1 for the ads, you need to bid higher than your competitors. And the last place you can show up is right here. And getting here requires having more citations than your competitors. A citation is whenever your name is in your name, address, and phone number are in a directory like HomeAdvisor or Yelp or something like that. That's called a citation. What I would do is I'd find out how many citations Mid-City Air Conditioning and Heating has, and I'd get more than that. So if they were listed in 150 directories, I'd list myself in 250, if not 300. And that's all I've got for you, Anthony. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I try to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want 2,000 words on this homepage, and you're going to want content or keywords inside that content. You're going to probably want about 75 websites linking to you, if not more, and I would just copy them. And then to take the Google My Business section, I put my name, address, and phone number in more directories than Mid-Cities. And by following these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across all of Google. So what I recommend you do now, Anthony, is take this information and implement it as soon as possible because it does take time to do this. And the sooner you start, the sooner you start ranking and the sooner you start making a lot of money. If you don't want to do this stuff, if you want it done for you, just give me a call. My phone number is down here. You can call me at any time. And if I can help you, I'd be glad to. And if I'm not able to, I'd at least point you in the right direction on where to go to get yourself taken care of. But either way, I do appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day to watch this video. I look forward to hearing back from you, Anthony, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.